Hey there, network marketing pros. Want to skyrocket your lead generation? Here are some proven strategies you can't ignore. First, leverage social media platforms. Share valuable content that'll attract your ideal audience. Example: use Instagram stories to showcase product testimonials. Next, engage with your target market through interactive content like polls and live Q&A sessions. This builds trust and rapport. Secondly, never underestimate the power of email marketing. Create a captivating lead magnet, such as a free ebook or webinar, to entice sign-ups. Tailor your emails with personalized offers and useful information to keep your audience hooked. Lastly, networking events and webinars are goldmines for new connections. Attend industry-specific events and be active in online webinars. It's all about visibility and genuine interaction. Implement these strategies and watch your network marketing business grow. Ready to take action? Smash that like button and follow for more tips. Business growth.